Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a Disney Pixar Cars diecast from the NASCAR wave of Disney Pixar cars. We have Ryan inside Laney. On the back you can get other cars like Go-Go Logano, Chase Race-A-Lot, William Byrev, and Lightning McQueen. Let's get Ryan inside Laney out of his box. So first things first, here is the pit sign for Ryan inside Laney. Blinker, which is his sponsor, which is one of the new sponsors in Cars 3. And now he is number 12 instead of 21. Here is the new and improved Ryan inside Laney. So here is the Cars 3 version of him. The difference is obviously the number. In the Cars 3 movie, at the time, he was with Wood Brothers Racing in the number 21 car. And now he's with Team Penske in the number 12. There is a new shade of blue, because this is light blue, and now he's a dark bluish color. A big number 12. The blinker logo instead of the wording on the side here with a blue hood. One side can be completely orange and half blue. The other one is blue with orange on the side. The blinker lettering is different and a lot bigger. And so is the 12 font, different from the 21 font. The rims in the tires are now silver instead of blue, along with a new design. He now lost the rookie stripes because now he's no longer a rookie. So here is a nice 360 view of him. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.